This is gonna be fun. The line's moving pretty quick. I think they lied about that 90 minutes. The new Hollywood sign is very adult looking. It's not much more, you know. You just gotta go around this way and all through there and through that way. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to come back. I'm gonna have to come back to you. I'm gonna have to come back. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, now we're almost there. Alright, I gotta stop saying that. Okay, now we could say not that much longer. We could officially say it. There you go. Almost in there. Thank God the line's done. I just... Oh, come on! Not too many people know, but this is all based on the new Mickey Mouse cartoons that you've been seeing on Disney Plus and on the Disney Channel and in the hotels, you know. Quick trivia, this used to be the big movie screen queue line for the Great Movie Ride. None of these walls are here. It was just wide open. Had a whole bunch of lines of people going all the way to those doors right over there. Pretty cool stuff. Be able to see how things changed. Oh, I'm up. Thank you. Oh boy, we're almost there. This is all new here. It's nice. Anybody feel like a rat in a maze? We're gonna get to the ride eventually, folks, so don't just stay tuned. Right through there?
Straight into the cartoon.
Awesome, thank you. Wow, look at this. This is crazy. To the trains. Oh, we're in the cartoon now. And more lines. Oh, great. I was starting to be afraid that we weren't gonna stand in more lines. That's not much more. We're loading there. Nice. Oh, this is so cool. I love how they changed this whole area, man. It's unbelievable. Me being an old school Great Movie Ride rider, it is really different. But not so much, though. You can still see the characteristics.
Oh. Railroad riders, Engineer Goofy here. For your safety aboard the train, please keep your hands, arms, feet.
Oh, it's the safety thing, so we'll get to that later. You know the rules. Oh, it looks like we're right in the front end. Looking great. Hi, John. Oh, this is going to be great. And here comes our train now. Oh, this is great. It's just me. All right, here we go.
Hang on. Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Mick and Liam.
Sure you can good dinner, all right.
Gosh, where was Minnie? What could possibly go wrong?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are! Ready right now!
This episode. Oh my God, we're dancing.
You're all one.
Oh, we're dancing.
You two play together. Oh. Now, let's countdown.
Oh no, we're tangling. Oh Lord. Oh no! Oh no! Oh!
That concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that you would find me there. Would be back on the crazy round. Not with you by my side. The stars will be our guide. Nothing can stop us now. The stars will be our guide. Nothing can stop.
That was great.
Watch your step as you exit my train.
That was
Come back
great.
and see me again real soon, okay? So long.
See you real soon. Here we are coming back out of the cartoon. It's the end. Wow, that was really cool. That was amazing, man. That was everything I anticipated it to be. If you haven't checked that out, you have to. Oh, you just did, but I mean, you got to do it in person. It's better in person. But anyway, that's it for your pal Al. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, remember, hit the like button. It shows me how much you care. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're always going on adventures like this. We've had our freak out. Now it's time to pass out. See you real soon.
I'm gonna be famous on them YouTube.